Tuloy, naiiyak pati yung mukha ko. Ang dami yung namamawis na ako dito. Ching-chang chu-chu-chu. You're a funny but honest test. Yeah, I'm just telling the truth here. I'm finding my sugar daddy. That's the truth. I'm not finding a friend. I'm not finding someone that bolero. But I'm finding my baby. Honestly fun. Cheers! Dapat, wait lang. Cheers no? At ang manginginom. Parang hindi siya Tagalog. The billion, where are you from? That's why I'm, why? Palitan mo nga Lucky Me name mo, Leonard Hello. Gusto kong pasit kanto na yung nababasa ko, hindi Lucky Me. By the way, good morning sa inyong dalawa. The Billion and Lucky Me. Ano wala kasi pangalan yan, Lucky Me. Saan mo nakuha yan? Favorite mo ba yun? The Billion is good maganda. Tumahimik. Wait lang guys. Kukuha muna ako ng battery. May naubusan ako ng bale. I'm paldo kasi. You're paldo. I never know. Paldo saan? I'm in Georgia, dear. Wait. The Billion, are you a Filipino or not? Lucky me, are you Filipino or not? Sugar dad. Ayun yung sugar daddy ko, Eme. Yeah, hello. I hope I can find my sugar daddy now. Because I'm looking for him. Amana, hello. Social battery gets empty. Yeah. Milk! Carlos, hello. Nawawalan ako ng bala. Nawawalan ako ng kadaldalan. Go lang. Justin. Future, hello. Baka ayun na siya, yung future. John, Steve, Mags. Babali, Wankoy. Guys, shoutout sa inyong lahat. I wish I was a Filipino, dear. Indeed, hello. Why? It's fine if you're not a Filipino. You know, we can hang out. Inaya pa. I really do. Good morning sa inyong lahat. Good morning. Shall we, the Billion, you know, a little Tagalog or you don't know? Jiro, hello. ID number. Guys, if you have IG, follow me on my IG. Filipino, ever the happiest people on earth I've ever met. Really? You have a girlfriend? The Billion? How about, Lucky Me? Asan si Lucky Me? ID number, hello. Here, hello. Chicken Man! Hi! Tapos, inisip ko na ako. Shashi, all in foreigns. Gaining social, hello. I was bad I see. Guys, I'm laggy. Kasi may na-notif. Shawi sa inyong lahat. Carrie Mark. What is this word? What is that word? The Billion. Richard Mark, hello. Lucky Me, are you there? Mas ba si Lucky Me? Ayan, pinakapalit ako pa ng pangalan niya. Where are you from? He's from Philippines. JC is from Philippines, like me, the Billion. Scott, are you okay there? Guys, okay lang ba kayo? Naiyak ako sa sipon. Okay lang. Wow. Ano ka, Hack Live? Asa ka? Dito Hack Live eh. Nung ka sa Hack Live, I'm from Philippines. Okay. You know what? If you're sleepy, Scott, you can sleep. Please lang. Just rest. Sure ka dun ka. Ano mga sure? Guys, this is not Hack Live. Silent hello. Hey, can you teach me all to be happy like you all? Of course, we can teach you. Nasa taas, hindi naman. Wala akong pake. Mark, mag-open ka dun ka sa Hack Live. Dito Hack Live. Sagot kita, hello. Well, I can teach you sometimes the Billion. But I'm not happy. I'm not a happy person, If you said so. Ano siya sabi ni JC? Lux Gio, hello. Really? Of course, I can teach you how to be happy, how to speak in Tagalog. Are you sure? I number hello. Of course, I'm sure. Mustakim. And yung nasa baba niya, hindi ko alam yung name. Malabo eh. Good morning sa inyo lahat, guys. Mayroon hello. Paalala, hindi to hacklight. This is just an ordinary life. I'm down for that. Romeo po. It's Romeo. Okay. Sorry, hindi ko kasi mabase. Oops, hello. Good morning, Romeo. Let's start with bad words. No, why bad words? Bad words is not applicable. I mean, mayroong English. Maybe sabi ko. Wait lang. The Billion, you know I love you in Tagalog. I'm just wearing sexy clothes, but you know, ang taba ko na nga eh. It maganda, right? I mean, I love you means in Tagalog is, mahal kita. I'm off the video. Thank you so much, Kat. Sleep pa. Bye-bye. Thank you. The Villain, Noah. Hello. Scott. Noah! Oh my God, is that you? I number Justin. Hello. Wait, I know, kilala ko yun eh. Teach me. I love you means in Tagalog is, mahal kita. It means no. No! Clifford, hello. I love you means in Tagalog is mahal kita. Like si hello. Not Noah. And, ano ba bang gusto mong matutunan? Clifford, hi. Ang init, di ko na kaya. Your voice is, because